One of the biggest mistakes some animals make is underestimating the elephant. Getting too close to this powerful and fearless creature often leaves no room for regret. The elephant is not just a massive animal, it is fiercely territorial. Lions, rhinos, tigers, and even crocodiles have paid the price for such carelessness. Whether it's protecting its young, defending its territory, or asserting its dominance, the elephant never backs down. Just one misstep when facing this formidable force of nature can become an unforgettable lesson in the wild.
We better roll.
Seeing two giants of the natural world is truly breathtaking. Fights between elephants usually occur due to competition for mating or to establish territory. Hippos usually don't get into conflicts with elephants, and this clip proved that. Only one of the hippos was trying to bite the elephant's tail, and the elephant calmly warned it each time. The hippo made the best decision in front of the elephant, to run away, as it had no other choice. If the rhinos had gotten into a fight with the elephant, it would have swallowed them whole. Fortunately, that didn't happen. The rhinoceros once again made a critical mistake, engaging in a confrontation with an elephant. Realizing the gravity of its error, it quickly retreated. Even if you're the king of the jungle, whenever you see an elephant, run! The elephants were drinking water when a crocodile lurking underwater made a big mistake and suddenly grabbed one of the elephant's trunks. But the elephant gave that crocodile a good lesson. This monster croc is incredibly brave, fearless, and strong. Here it grabbed one of the elephants by the trunk without caring about how many elephants were around, but the others didn't let it cause serious harm. Before we dive into the next exciting moments, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. This way, you'll always stay updated with our latest adventures. One of the rarest encounters in the wild is the face-off between the national animal of India and the national animal of Thailand. The tiger attempted a surprise attack from behind, but the elephant swiftly detected the threat and successfully drove it away. To be honest, riding on these elephants might actually be the safest option. Even tigers seem to think twice before approaching. Certainly safer than an open jeep. The farmers want to bring the baby elephant for treatment, but the mother is trying to protect her child. Even towards peaceful creatures like giraffes, elephants show no mercy. There is a period in the life of male elephants when their testosterone levels rise significantly, making them extremely aggressive. During this phase, they might attack anything, even a young, fragile buffalo. If you are enjoying these exciting moments, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This way, you'll always stay updated on our latest thrilling adventures. The buffalo made it clear who's in charge. Crocodiles have no chance of overpowering an adult elephant, but unfortunately, many of them don't realize this and often get crushed by the elephant. If this wild dog had chosen to resist instead of running away, it would have paid a heavy price. Despite being outnumbered by the lions, the elephant showed incredible determination. It held its ground firmly, refusing to back down or show any sign of weakness, even in the face of overwhelming odds. The relationship between elephants and zebras is truly beautiful. We hope you enjoyed watching the video. Your feedback is very valuable to us, so please make sure to share your thoughts in the comments section. If you found this video useful and interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. We truly appreciate your support and presence, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.